And the more I build on the porch, the more, like, the bigger I want it to be. You know what I think we really need to do? We'll probably get rid of this. Let's get rid of all this nonsense. Perfect. Zip line. And let's see what happens. So just gonna kind of build a nice little walkway. Okay. No. There we go. There we go. Okay. And essentially, we'll just build out a little bit of a porch here. Yeah. Meanwhile, we got Kelvin still working on all his big project. There we go. Touch too high, but I think we can maybe make it kind of cool looking. To be a little bit of a platform, like a raised platform. Yeah, we'll make this a nice little viewing platform. At least that'd be the hope. Make that a nice little viewing platform. The rest will be a porch. So, and then we'll put a kind of like handrail situation all around it. So let's do this. And the more I build on the porch, the more, like, the bigger I want it to be. My goal today is to build the staircase and maybe build the balcony.